Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to find keywords for your gigs on Fiverr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already, and after opening up the website guys, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we want to go ahead and log into our account. So in the upper right corner, you want to go ahead and click the sign in button to use to log into your account that you want to post the gig with, or if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Fiverr, where you can see all the sections, you can find other gigs and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to find keywords for our gigs and how to edit them. Basically guys, what we have to do first is go ahead and switch to seller mode. So here in the upper right corner, if you haven't already, click the profile icon. This is going to open up the drop down menu where you can see all the options you can access, and one of them is called become a seller. So you want to go ahead and access become a seller. If this is your first time, you want to go ahead and complete all of the info, providing your info to get started with becoming seller. If you're already a seller, then this is just automatically going up to open up the seller page right here where you'll be able to see all your gigs you have posted, you can see your orders and so on. So guys, under your business option, you'll be able to find all the options you need, and as you can see right here, the official help site of Fiverr, you can see this is how it works. Basically, we want to open up the analytics page under the keyword research tab. So you want to go ahead and open up the analytics page right here in Fiverr, and there you're going to go ahead and be able to show the top keywords. So you can go ahead and get started with finding the top keywords for your gigs and so on. You can go ahead and do some research for yourself, and when you are ready, you can go ahead and enter in those keywords into your tags for your gigs, and then people will be able to find your orders and your gigs using the keywords by searching right here. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it, how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.